Firstly, you must purchase a set of the main body, Frida, TH11 and brake harness BR9. Remove the panel to capture the vehicle speed signal and reverse signal from the back wiring of the navigation system. Mask and poke the lining peeler and carefully and boldly remove the hooks one by one. Full speed signal and reverse signal are taken from the 5P optional coupler. I didn't write the reverse signal in the manual, so I went with the tester. Press the engine switch twice to shift. The connector in the photo, black is the vehicle speed signal, and red is the reverse signal. It is recommended to peel off the coating of the wiring and crimp it, but since it is troublesome, use an electro tap. Insert the special harness into the brake and accelerator connectors. The photo above is the brake and the bottom is the accelerator. Looking at the shape of the connector to be interrupted, I thrust my hand while imagining how to remove it. The brakes were smooth, but I removed the accelerator with a 10mm ratchet. Fix the ground to the bolt of the accelerator pedal. I fixed it carefully, so that the wiring would not get caught during operation. The main body is fixed near the side brake pedal. The controller is in a standard place on the steering wheel.